Okay, so in Claude Desktop, there is a feature that lets you create a schedule where the AI tool can run a certain workflow or task at specific frequency. Let's say you can make the workflow to run weekly, weekdays, daily, hourly, or you can just run it on demand. But these options are not exactly relevant for most people, because sometimes you might want to run a particular task every day but only at a specific time, and maybe you want to run that several times of the day, and that kind of setting or schedule is not something that we can do right now, at least in the current state of Claude Desktop. So how do you make the tool or the task to run at a more specific time? Now let me give you one example. So I have this AI news reporting and I set it to run basically every hour. At the same time, I also want to avoid this particular period of the day. So according to Claude, apparently this period is very demanding. It's when your credits will be burned quite a lot and much faster than the other times of the day. But at the same time, I also want to run the workflow every hour, and I just want to avoid this particular period. So how do you navigate around that? Well, given the limitation, the only option right now that we can do is to actually tell AI that, hey, can you check the time? Can you verify if this is the time or the day that you should be doing your job or not? So let me give you an example. I'm going to modify this task, and basically I will tell AI to do this. So basically the original instruction was search the web and tell me top AI news concisely in bullet list format. I'm going to add a condition at the beginning. Okay, so first check the current time. If it falls between 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. PT or 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. PT on a local time, basically stop immediately and do nothing. And then I want to specify here, otherwise search the web. So otherwise it continued normally. So it will check the condition. Is it at the time when the credits are expensive? If yes, don't do anything, just stop whatever you are doing, but otherwise just continue. So right now, as you can see, it is 7 p.m. This is where things are expensive at the moment when I'm recording this video. So if I run the task right now, AI will check the time first. But if it is the time that I want AI to avoid, then it will stop. So it's running the command. It is the same thing as the one demo that I did on LM Studio. Currently it is 5:04 a.m. PT Friday, which falls within the 5:02, basically this particular time, stopping as instructed. So it's not going to read my workflow. It is not going to read any documents. It is just stop because it doesn't fulfill the requirements anymore. It's very expensive, right? We want to avoid that. So now it won't do anything. Sure, it is not exactly the most elegant solution, and you still actually consume some credits when running this job. It is still running some code, it's giving you a response, so it still burns some tokens, but at least it is avoiding you from the more expensive part of the workflow where it is running a very long or complicated task depending on the requirements that you have provided to AI. So that is usually my method to avoid running the models at a specific time, and basically this is one way to navigate around the limited option when running a scheduled task on the Claude Desktop. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you want to see some other cool AI tutorials or use cases, then you can subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my future videos. Have a great day.